In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the upper engine torque strut mount on your Nissan Rogue, located right here underneath your hood. Using an 18mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt. Using your 18mm socket, loosen and remove this bolt. Go ahead and slide that mount into position. I'm just going to get that started by hand. Take the horizontal bolt, line this up. Go ahead and snug that down. We'll do the same for the top. I'm going to go ahead and torque down these two bolts to 51 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.